All right, guys, just out. Anybody's got a 2022 Honda Recon, been having problems come out to start it, and it'd be just dead as could be. I knew the battery was charged up. It'd be real intermittent. Sometimes it'd look like it just be kind of real flaky on the charging side of things. So I'd wiggle the positive wire every now and then. Everything looks like it'd get back to normal. It'd go pretty good. So if you got one, you might want to check here. Good job, Honda. Freaking knuckleheads. Yeah, so go ahead and check your wire. And look, right there. They just kind of pushed it in. No solder, no nothing. It was just there. It'd be intermittent. So we're going to solder it up. And if you're getting a little lack of power when you go to start it, that might be a problem.